Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by installing Gitlens from the Extensions view and reload Visual Studio Code when prompted. After reload, open the command palette and run Gitlens. Open Settings to adjust behavior and display options. In Settings, enable commit details and file annotations for quick context next to code. Allow repository access when Gitlens requests permission to read local Git data so it can show blame and history. Finally, set your preferred blame format and time style in the Settings panel for consistent display. Use the inline blame annotation to see author and time information for each line directly in the editor. Open the Gitlens sidebar to browse repositories, branches, commits, and file history without leaving Visual Studio Code. Click any commit to open the commit details view and inspect changed files with a side-by-side diff. Use the file history view to compare revisions for a file and switch between commits with a single click. These features provide immediate context for every change you review. Trigger code lends actions to jump to recent changes and open related commits quickly above function definitions. Use keyboard shortcuts to open blame, toggle annotations, and navigate file history for faster workflow navigation. When you open a commit, use the remote action to view it on your hosting provider for pull request context. Stash changes or create a branch from a commit using the Gitlens commit menu when needed. Practice these steps to streamline reviews and keep your repository context immediately available in the editor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.